Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today I'm going to do a free offer. I'll do 5 t-shirts and let's do 5 suction cups. Free offer for the first 5 who, if you want a free t-shirt, simply respond to any current post or make a post. And you get a free t-shirt. You gotta let me know, message me separately for shirt size and address. And then for a free suction cup, we'll give away single suction cup with an attached lanyard that we sell at windowworldsupply.com. And those single suction cups for high rise, you have to be a high rise window cleaner for one, and then make a new topic in the high rise thread, and you receive a free single suction cup with lanyard shipped to you. And with that, just message me separately as well with address and your company name, and we'll get that out to you. It's out here at Window Warriors Forum. Check us out. Free offer, t-shirts, suction cups.